Welcome to today's episode of the Apocalypse Cooking Channel. We got ketchup, fish sauce, eggs, kombucha, soy sauce, butter, white bread, vegetable oil, panko, and 20 gig. Oh shit, it's Spam. That is right, we are making Spam Katsu today. A couple of things, if you don't have breadcrumbs, but you have white bread, you can make breadcrumbs out of bread. Just toast in the oven for like 200, beat it up in a bag. Kombucha, because I was out of rice wine vinegar. This has been in the fridge for way too long, so it's super acidic. Other than that, we kind of raided the pantry here using what we got. And we have Spam. I've only ever actually eaten Spam twice in my life, and it was kind of gross, so.
Start by cutting your Spam into 3 equal pieces. I think if I did this again, I would cut it into 4. The final outcome, they were a little bit thick.
We're gonna use what's known as a standard breading procedure. We're gonna have flour, egg, and panko.
Whenever you're breading, make sure you always have one hand for the dry ingredients and one hand for the wet ingredients. Drop a piece of your Spam into the flour, shake off the excess, then go into the egg, switch hands, pull it out of the egg, go into the panko. Make sure you really pack that on there so it sticks really well.
Now for the katsu sauce. Small pot, about a cup of ketchup. What we're gonna do is slowly caramelize this ketchup to add depth to the sauce. Don't burn this shit. And then just put this bad guy over medium heat. Ah, the apocalypse got me and I cut the shit out of myself. Just kidding, it's ketchup.
With the ketchup started, preheat your oil to about 325, 350 degrees. In that range will work great.
So while our oil is preheating and our ketchup is caramelizing, let's talk about what exactly we're doing here. If you take a spoonful of caramel and ate it and didn't burn your face off, and you took sugar, they'd taste totally different, right? That's what we're doing. We're trying to caramelize the sugars in the ketchup to just add a different element to the sauce. It's kind of a cool technique, huh?
This is the consistency you're looking for with your ketchup. It'll feel kind of dry, be sticking to the pot a little bit, and smell like caramel. Remove the pot from the heat, add your vinegar, then your soy sauce, and your fish sauce. Return the pot to the heat, continue to stir until it's homogeneous and it's nice and bubbly and hot. Once again, remove the pot from the heat, add 2 pats of butter, and stir until it is completely melted. And your katsu sauce is done.
Katsu sauce done, drink some beer.
With your oil just shy of 350 degrees, add your Spam one at a time, dropping away from you. Cook on one side until golden brown, about 4 to 5 minutes. And then turn and cook until golden brown on that side. Remove your Spam from the oil and drain on a paper towel. While your Spam is draining and resting, cut the crust off of 2 pieces of white bread and toast until your desired doneness. You can do this in a pan with some butter if you want, but just for simplicity's sake, I thought I'd do it in a toaster. And finally, to finish the sandwich, take 1 piece of the toast, a generous amount of katsu sauce, the fried piece of Spam, some more katsu sauce, and then the toast. Cut in half and enjoy.
And there you have it, the staple of any apocalypse bunker, a can of Spam. Turned into something delicious. And, I mean, in a way, I don't know, this is like actually Japanese street food. They do it with pork usually though, but you can do pork, you can do chicken if you have it. You know, if the stores don't close, anything you have, meat-wise, same thing. You bread it, you fry it, done. You have rice left, make the katsu sauce and put it on rice. Put it on the fried rice. It's delicious.